All right, so I think this is recording. Let's rewrite 75. We could write it using addition and just say 30 degrees plus 45. We could do it with subtraction, that 75 is 120 minus 45. At least I think. Oh my. You guys are better at arithmetic than I am. I always second guess myself. Yeah. So either one of those. So let's just use the addition one. So we can rewrite the sine of 75 as the sine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees because we have a formula that says if you're taking the sine of the sum of two angles, that is the sine of A times the cosine of B plus the cosine of A times the sine of B. At least I hope. I think it is. All right, so that means that we can write this as the sine of 30 degrees times the cosine of 45 degrees plus the cosine of 30 degrees times the sine of 45. All right, so you have this in your note. I'm going to erase this. All right, so you also have a unit circle. But by now you probably know, you should know, that the sine of 30 is 1/2. Cosine of 45 is radical 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is the square root of 3 over 2. And that the sine of 45 is radical 2 over 2. So we know that we have a common denominator, so let's just go ahead and we notice that that's the same answer as we had with problem 1 because the cosine of 15 degrees, sine and cosine are cofunctions, and 15 degrees and 75 degrees are complementary. So we had that earlier theorem about complementary, the cofunctions of complementary angles are equal to each other. So it shouldn't be any big surprise that this is the same answer that we had with problem number 1. All right, well, I will talk to you later. Bye.